Welcome to Tech Doctorine. Hope you liked our last video on chat. Today's video is on Robotics and AI, the future of industrial automation. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self-correction. The field of AI research began in the 1950s, but it wasn't until the late 20th century that significant progress was made. Today, AI is used in a variety of applications such as image recognition, natural language processing, and decision-making. There are different forms of AI, from rule-based systems to self-learning systems and from weak AI to strong AI. AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and change the way we live and work. There are many research areas that utilize AI. Here are some examples. Natural language processing, NLP. This area of AI research focuses on the ability of computers to understand and generate human language. Applications include language translation, text summarization, and sentiment analysis. Computer vision. This area of AI research focuses on the ability of computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world. Applications include image recognition, object detection, and facial recognition. Robotics. This area of AI research focuses on the design and development of robots that can function autonomously or semi-autonomously. Applications include self-driving cars, drones, and industrial automation. Machine learning. This area of AI research focuses on the development of algorithms that enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Applications include recommender systems, fraud detection, and predictive maintenance. Reinforcement learning. This area of AI research focuses on the development of algorithms that enable agents to learn from their environment through trial and error. Applications include game-playing AI, robotics and control systems. Explainable AI. This area of AI research focuses on the ability of machines to explain their decision-making process, making them more transparent, trustworthy, and understandable to humans. Generative models. This area of AI research focuses on the ability of machines to generate new data, such as images, music, and text, based on the data they have been trained on. Healthcare. This area of AI research focuses on the ability of machines to assist in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. Applications include medical imaging, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. These are just a few examples of the many areas of research that are utilizing AI. The field is constantly evolving, and new applications and areas of research are being developed all the time. If you need any assistance on the above project, contact dr.pawanwig on pawanwig@gmail.com.